How to activate your Santander Bank debit card. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Over here you can find this search box. Just tap on it and type in over there Santander Bank debit card activation and search for it. Now scroll down. Click on this website. How do I activate my new debit card? Open it. Now over here you're gonna get these options. Applying these options, you will be able to activate your debit card. The very first one, activate the card through mobile banking. Firstly, you have to log into your Santander mobile banking and then head towards the section of manage cards, and from there you will be able to activate your debit card. Now heading to our second option, you have to call the number on the card activation sticker. These are the numbers. Over here you can see that. Likewise, the last option is using it at any ATM by performing any transaction, that is balance inquiry, deposit. You will need your PIN. So these are the ways to activate your Santander Bank debit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.